Do you want to add an animated number counter on your Wix website like this? This How to 1 Minute will guide you how you can easily add an animated number counter to your Wix website without any codes. Just follow me to do it. First of all, you have to open this website elfsight.com, and this is a very popular website where you will get lots of free widgets to add to your Wix website or WordPress or Shopify. So once you are in this elfsight.com, just create a free account and sign into your account, and then click on widget, and here scroll down, and under tools section, here you will find this number counter widget. So all you have to need is just click on number counter, and here we can see a number counter preview. Also, you can select a theme from this available theme list. So I'm selecting the first theme and then just click on continue with this template. And now here it's time to customize this number counter, animated number counter template. To change or edit the first counter, click on this first counter, and here you can edit your value, and you can also add a start value here, and then you can change your caption from here. And to change this icon, just click on this icon, and now you can choose an icon from icon library, or you can upload your custom icon from your computer by clicking here. So I'm typing here total downloads, and selecting an icon from icon library, searching for download and selecting this icon. And if you want to add a custom link, all you have to need, enter here the link, and you can also change your custom link color from here. Then tap on done, and this is your second counter animation, and this is your third counter animation. So all you have to need, just go through these options and customize or edit your counters. Once done, you can add here a widget title. Then go to layout section, and here you can change your layout width, and you can change your counter elements layout like this. Then go to style section, and here you can change your counter background color, number color, caption color, icon background color. You will find here lots of options to customize your animated number counter. Once your editing finish, it's time to add this counter to our Wix website, right? So click on add to website for free, and just click on publish. And here select the free plan. So we are going to use this widget free version, and here you will get a code. All you have to need, just copy this code. Once successfully copied, go to your Wix website editor. Once you are in your Wix site editor, now just click on add elements, and here click on embed code, and all you have to need, add embed HTML, and then click on enter code, and here select code, and in this box paste the elfsight number counter animation widget code that you just copied. Once done, scroll down and click on update, and cross this window or pop-up, and here you will see the animated number counter widget successfully added. Now you can resize your counter widget like this, and now you can also change the widget position. And once you are happy, just click on save or publish. I'm going to preview, and as you can see, I've successfully added a animated number counter on my Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.